Alrighty then, let's cut this mobility scooter up and make something a little bit cooler with it. Let's do this. I want to take you through some of this, what we're going to do here. And we made a couple little templates up. So we took the original axle off of here. So here's our original axle. And, oh, ouch. And so we cut that off, cut that tube, and it's solid in here too, so there's a solid shaft going through there. But we're going to modify that. Made this template up here, and got to do a little bit more notching right here. So we're going to take and make a piece out of 1/4-inch steel plate that we can drill and tap also, and then we'll put a bearing on there. We're going to remove this also because it's going to have an axle shaft that goes all the way across to the other side now. And this is going to be right in the way and shouldn't be needed anymore. The only reason why that was there in the first place is because they messed up with this design with the axle right here, and then they brought the foot pad back here farther like that. And by doing that, when you step down right here to get on it, it just wants to lift the whole thing up and rotate around that axle shaft, so they put a wheelie bar on it, which is not really a wheelie bar for wheelie because it's front wheel drive and it can't lift the back up like that. So that is going to come off of there. We shouldn't need that because we're going to slide the axle back 2.5 inches back here farther. We're also going to cut this fender off right here, and I think later on we'll make some really cool little teardrop fenders or something for it as well. But I want to show you what with a piece of steel. So I took a piece of cold rolled steel that I had laying around, a piece of scrap, and like to kind of try to utilize all the material that we possibly can. So we put our template on here like this, and then flipped it around like this. So now Dave is here, and he is going to jump on the milling machine. We're going to drill a big hole right here for this radius like this, another one here for this radius, and then we're going to use our transfer punches right here. If you don't have a set of these, you're going to need to buy some of these. You're going to use them any kind of fabrication. I use these a lot, and I'll show you what that's all about. So a transfer punch down here like this, got the whole set of these punches that fit in the hole. If you use the right size transfer punch anyways, they fit in the hole. So let's see if that one fits. Nope, we'll go with another smaller one, and bingo, there, that fits in there super nice and snugly. So we just clamp this piece down right here, because when you hit on it, it wants to bounce it around. So if you clamp this piece down here, now you can transfer punch that, and it leaves a nice little dimple right here, and right wherever it is, right here. And there you go. We got 3 nice little dimples to go off of here. And now that will locate our drilled, and we're going to tap that 1/4-20 as well. So those got to be spot on. There's a little bit of wiggle room in our bolt holes here, so we do have a little bit of wiggle room. These bearings are also alignable a little bit. They do swivel inside of this housing. And remember, this came off of a pizza conveyor here. The axle shafts that we're going to use, I don't know what that came off of, but it was scrap that I took home from work before. And the tires and wheels were used for another experimental project before. So this is all using what I have laying around here. Didn't go buy anything yet whatsoever. So I love doing projects like this and that are even more functional. So let's get to it. Don't forget to like this video. Click like, throw me a comment, let me know what you think. ring the bell for those notifications when we get a new video. We got lots more coming up, guys. A lot of cool stuff coming up. I hope you guys are enjoying the ride.